shopping or work, and many others use it for entertainment. The internet is a network of computers that enables you to send and receive data anywhere in the world, anytime. Data could be in the form of songs, videos, games, and even your chat, emails, news, and money. You can use your computer, laptop, tablet, smartwatch, or even mobile phone, and many more such devices to log on and access the internet. It's like having the world in your hands, and you want to be online all the time. But deep within the internet lies a scary truth, where evil strangers, predators, hackers, and criminals roam about. They can rob or harm you, your family, or friends in real life. Do you recognize all these means that you use to surf the internet? Here are some internet safety tips to help you surf safely. Always keep your mobile phone, computer, and tablet updated with the latest operating system, antivirus software, and security updates. Also ensure you install an operating system that is updated with the latest security updates. If you're using a computer or laptop, ensure firewall is enabled. Seems tough? Ask your parents or teachers. Together, the antivirus, security updates, firewall, and operating system protect your device and your data from threats on the internet, such as viruses, malware, or ransomware. Regularly check your privacy settings to ensure your personal details are safe. Do not share sensitive information like your personal details, credit card information, bank account, or any other government identification details on email or even on phone calls. Do think before you upload personal details, photos, or videos. Once posted, these are in the public domain and can't be taken back. Also avoid check-in to any place on Facebook or any social media website or applications which reveals your location. Predators can track your location and may hurt you and your family. Wherever you are, wherever you go, with your family or alone, let your family know your location with a call or an SMS to avoid any unfortunate event or situation. Do not use open or untrusted Wi-Fi connections for surfing the internet. Who doesn't like using free Wi-Fi? You will find free Wi-Fi in many places like schools and colleges, railway and bus stations, malls, airports, etc. While free Wi-Fi is awesome, you should not use such connections for sharing your personal data or making payment transactions. You may even know how to use your bank account on your mobile or computer, or might have seen others doing so. Never do such transactions or online shopping using free Wi-Fi connection. Hackers can use such open, unsecured paths to steal money from your bank accounts or digital wallets. When performing online transactions, ensure the link you are using is secure. If the website starts with HTTPS, that is with an S, it is a secure site. Do not open or respond to emails received from unknown sources. Do not click suspicious links and auto pop-ups received on websites or on emails. Many of us receive mails that tell us we have won a big prize. So do you click the link to claim it, ignore the message and close it, or share it with your friends? Here's what you should do. When downloading any files, games, applications, or using USB or an external device, always scan them using an antivirus software. Never install untrusted applications or software on any device, nor connect any USB or external device before scanning it using antivirus, as it may have virus, malware, and other threats. Do not download suspicious mobile applications or games which may offend you and your family or make them uncomfortable. Many of you would have also come across inappropriate or risky content while surfing the internet. Avoid clicking on such words. If you come across such words, always close the application or the browser window and inform a trusted adult or family member immediately. Accessing such content may even put you or your family in prison. The dangers of the internet are increasing on a daily basis. Look around, see or read the news, and you'll find evil use of technology to steal and harm people, especially youngsters of your age. Speak to your parents or a trusted adult about ways to avoid trouble, or you can even Google about them. Always set a password-protected lock screen. Use a password that is not easy to guess. Avoid selecting passwords like a combination of your birth year, day, and month. As a good practice, use passwords with at least 8 characters and include a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for each account you have. Do not share your password with anyone and ensure you change it frequently. Always back up your important data from your mobile device or computer due to the growing risk of ransomware infections. Ransomware works by letting someone remotely lock your computer and hold it until you pay the hacker. Collectively called malware, these viruses, trojans, ransomware, and many others can destroy your device or even worse. But what exactly are these things? What is ransomware? It is a malicious code that prevents you from using your device or accessing files or apps unless you pay money. What is malware? It is a malicious software, a computer program, designed to infiltrate and damage computers or devices without the user's consent. Let's learn more. Many a times, the malware spreads by data transfer from an infected device. Avoid transferring any songs, videos, apps, or games from any other strange device using a USB cable, Bluetooth, or free or public Wi-Fi zone. If you really have to transfer data, scan the data or USB drive by using an antivirus software. Don't be afraid to tell an adult or someone you trust about anything you see or experience online that makes you feel uncomfortable or unsafe. Thieves and criminals are always using new ways to cause trouble. Trouble on the internet can come in many other tempting forms as well. If you find yourself in a bad situation, it's best to speak freely with someone you trust. Never keep your problems to yourself. Always share your feelings with your family. Talking things out is the coolest. Did you know it's not just the internet that is dangerous? You may get spam calls which typically have unknown international numbers. These calls are used by criminals from around the world to get your personal details, where you live, what you do, or your bank account number. This is called voice phishing. If you ever receive a call from a strange number, always let your parents take it. Never receive the call yourself. You can even install an anti-spam application. Now, let's talk about popular social networks like Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, etc. You may be using one or all of these to have fun, socialize, and make new friends. While they're great for socializing, they can also be pretty dangerous. Just like in real life, you or your friend may have been bullied at college or elsewhere with painful memories lasting years. Some predators, or even people you may know, can use the internet and social networks to cause the same hurt and pain. It's called cyberbullying. Even on private chats, cyberbullying can be equally painful. So how can you prevent cyberbullying? The first thing to do when someone is trying to cyberbully you is to not respond. Remember, your reaction is exactly what the bully wants. don't react. Save the proof of the chat or the screenshot of the page. Block the bully. And don't be afraid to tell an adult or someone you trust about anything you see or experience online that makes you feel uncomfortable or unsafe. Such scams can be easily avoided. Just remember these tips. And with these tips, you can even avoid phishing email attacks.